Think you need thousands of dollars to start investing? Think again. The truth is, you can start with as little as $100. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to grow their money over time. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a smart way to put your money to work, this guide will walk you through simple, effective strategies to get started. We'll cover where to invest, how to minimize risk, and how to make your money work for you. Ready to take the first step toward financial freedom? Let's dive in. Why invest? Keeping your money in a savings account? You might think it's safe, but in reality, inflation slowly eats away at its value. That means over time, your money buys less and less. But when you invest, you give your money the chance to grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Even small amounts can add up in a big way. For example, if you invest just $100 a month and earn an average 7% annual return, you could have over $120,000 in 30 years. And that's with just small, consistent contributions. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, instead of letting inflation win, why not put your money to work for you? It's not about having a lot, it's about starting now. Where to invest your first $100? So, you've got $100 to invest, where should you put it? The good news is, you don't need a fortune to get started. Even with a small amount, you can begin building a solid financial foundation. Here are 5 smart ways to invest your first $100, each offering a balance of growth, risk, and accessibility. 1. Index funds and ETFs, the easy way to diversify. One of the safest and smartest ways to start investing is through index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds let you own a small piece of hundreds of companies with just one investment. For example, an S&P 500 ETF includes top companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. The best part? They're low cost, and historically, the S&P 500 has provided an average return of around 7 to 10% per year over the long run. That means your money grows steadily over time without needing to pick individual stocks. 2. Fractional shares, own a piece of big companies. Ever wanted to invest in companies like Tesla, Google, or Amazon but thought their stock prices were too high? With fractional shares, you don't need to buy a whole share, you can invest just a few dollars and own a small portion of these major stocks. This makes it easy to start investing in companies you believe in, even with a small budget. Many platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab offer fractional investing with no commission fees, making it super accessible. 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts, invest in real estate without buying property. Real estate is one of the best wealth building tools, but buying a house or rental property requires a lot of money. That's where REITs come in. A REIT is a company that owns and manages income-generating properties, such as apartment buildings, shopping centers, and office spaces. By investing in a REIT, you earn a share of rental income without the hassle of being a landlord. Some REITs even pay dividends, meaning you could start seeing small returns quickly. 4. Crypto, carefully. High risk, high reward. Cryptocurrency is an exciting but volatile investment option. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen massive growth over the years, they've also experienced big crashes. If you're interested in crypto, consider only investing a small portion, maybe 5% or less of your total investments. It's essential to do your research, stick to well-known assets, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto can be a great long-term bet, but it's definitely not for the faint of heart. 5. High-interest savings accounts and bonds, low-risk options for stability. If you prefer a lower-risk approach, high-yield savings accounts and bonds can be a good choice. A high-yield savings account keeps your money safe while earning better interest than a regular bank account. Bonds, such as U.S. Treasury bonds or I-bonds, offer a way to earn steady returns while protecting your money from inflation. How to invest $100 today. Ready to invest your first $100? It's easier than you think. Just follow these 3 simple steps. 1. Pick a platform. Choose an investment app like Robinhood, Fidelity, Vanguard, or even Cash App. These platforms let you start with as little as a few dollars, and many offer fractional investing, so you don't need to buy a full share of expensive stocks. 2. Choose your investment. Want a hands-off approach? Consider ETFs like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. Prefer picking individual stocks? Invest in companies you believe in and trust for long-term growth. 3. Make your first trade. Deposit your $100, hit buy, and just like that, you're officially an investor. Now, let time and compound growth work in your favor. The key is to stay consistent and keep learning. Growing your $100 investment. Investing isn't about quick gains, it's about consistency. Here's how to grow that $100. Add $10 to $50 monthly. Even small additions create long-term wealth. Reinvest dividends. Many ETFs and stocks pay dividends. Reinvest them to compound your returns. Learn and adapt. Stay informed to make better investment choices. Starting with $100 is just the beginning. The key is consistency and patience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple investment guides. What's your next investment? Drop a comment below.